Before I start, don't forget to subscribe, like or dislike, and share. So, let's start learning. So, Office packages that are free, absolutely free to use, and are great alternatives to Microsoft Office. So, Google Docs is only Office package here that is cloud-based, so you need internet browser and internet connection so you can use it. No installation required. While other free, you need to install it on your computer. But LibreOffice officially supports portable version, so you download, copy it to some USB flash drive or external hard disk drive, plug it in on some other computer and run it directly from that external drive. Under each of these logos of these Office packages you see websites that you can visit for more information. Okay, LibreOffice is my number one pick and many people like it the most. All these Office supports multiple operating systems. Let's say LibreOffice can be found on Windows, Linux, Mac, FreeBSD, NetBSD, OpenBSD operating systems, on let's say desktop and laptop computers alike, and let's say on smartphones and tablets you can find it on Android and iOS devices. WPS Office can be found on Windows, Linux, Android and iOS, while let's say FreeOffice you can find it on Windows, Linux and Android operating system. If I go to this column programs, you see what programs are included in each of these Office packages. LibreOffice has Writer, which is just like Microsoft Word, Calc like Microsoft Excel, Impress like Microsoft PowerPoint, Base, which is like Access, Microsoft Access. And if you already search for some Access alternative, it is hard to find, and LibreOffice is probably the best alternative to Microsoft Access. You also have Draw to draw some plans and math for mathematical equations. WPS and FreeOffice you get three most common programs: Writer and Text Maker like Word, Spreadsheets and Plan Maker like Excel, and presentations and presentation like PowerPoint. Google Docs have docs like Word, sheets like Excel, slides like PowerPoint, and forms. Among those four, only WPS has ads included. It is not frequent and it is in free version of WPS Office package. You can buy full version of Office package without any ads at all. You can use LibreOffice in 110 languages. Even Google Docs has a lot of different languages that you can use. LibreOffice and Google Docs has a lot of extensions. LibreOffice and WPS Office has a lot of templates. All of these Office packages supports PDF files. All these Office packages you can read PDF files, except in LibreOffice you can edit them too. PDF editor is not the greatest, but it works well. In first three Office packages you can view, print, convert to PDF from other formats and reverse, while on Google Docs you can read, print and download the PDF files. WPS Office and Google Docs supports their own cloud storage. WPS Office gives you 1 GB of cloud storage for absolutely free. You just need to register your email on their website open up your Office program and you can just log in and start using your 1 GB cloud storage for free. Google Docs is using Google Drive, and you have a lot of space for documents, files, and so on. While LibreOffice supports many cloud devices like Google Drive and others, but FreeOffice does not support any of these cloud storage services. There are many more informations about those 4 Office packages. If you want to see them, just go to the websites that you see here, or just click inside video description below this video. You can go to websites, click, read, learn for, let's say, WPS, LibreOffice, FreeOffice, Google Docs.
And that was it for this video. I covered most basic informations about those 4, let's say, most known Office packages. There is many more packages that you can use, but let's say I covered most known. Also, if you want more information about these packages, what they contain, what they can do, and so on, go down below in description and click links and learn. So, and we are on end of this 3-part Microsoft Office basic informations video. Next time I will start covering Microsoft Word program from the beginning, so everybody can understand. Till next time.
If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video, subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos, share video with your friends, co-workers and others so they can learn too, and have a great day. Bye bye!